Well, this is a fantastic day. This is launching our first three projects, Brecainog Dau here in Denbighshire and Conwy, the second project being Glencothi in Carmarthenshire and Garrigwen in Rhondda Taff. So these projects are large-scale onshore wind projects on publicly owned land, capable of generating enough power for 350,000 homes, which is a quarter of homes in Wales.
This project is going to have huge impact for us, not only in how we provide courses for young people to become the graduates that the project will need in the future, but also offering opportunities for research so that as a university we can work with this scheme to look at the turbines of the future, how we can develop more alternative technologies and ensure that green energy and the environmental foresight that Wales is renowned for continues to grow.
It gives a fantastic opportunity for young people in the area to understand what the future developments for the environment are. It gives us the opportunity to work with our partners, other universities, colleges, as well as the schools, to bring young people out to see what's happening, to understand what sort of skills they might be able to train, to see what jobs they can get in the future, as well as to train for the jobs that are available now. They should be very excited because these opportunities don't come along that often, and when they do, it opens a huge range of job opportunities that they can participate in that will enable them to develop their careers locally.
Nes I gychwyn in 2017, gweithio Jones Brothers. Ar nhw rhoi siawns i fi I gychwyn prentisiaeth. Nes I gychwyn gweithio efo nhw ar y prosiect tu nôl i fama, Fferm Wynt Cloceunog, a dwi 'di bod yn gweithio efo nhw ers hynna. Mae'n cyfle ardderchog I bobl ifanc yn yr ardal yma enwedig. Does ddim lot o waith fel hyn yn dod allan yn yr ardal yma. Mae bobl yn gwaith ni'n gorfod teithio gwmpas, so pan bod gennym ni lot o prosiectau mewn un ardal, mae o'n peth amser dda I cadw bobl yn lleol.
These projects staying in Wales, keeping the roles and the jobs in Wales, working together with the education sector can really make a huge impact for North Wales and for the wider region, and I couldn't be more excited.